Hi, let me show you how to disable SIM card PIN code on any iPhone. For that, first thing we are gonna need is open Settings app, and in your main settings, find section Cellular. So now if you scroll a bit down, you should see this info about your SIM card as well as your SIM PIN. And after selecting this setting, you will be able to change your SIM card PIN code, enable it and disable. So if you can see that the switch is green, then SIM card PIN code is activated. And to disable, you need to toggle off the switch by clicking it. So right now, to turn off PIN code, we need to enter it once again. And simply be aware that you got 3 attempts. So enter your SIM PIN and then click Done to confirm. Now let's reset the setting by going back. And as you can see, the switch is now white. So when you'll remove your SIM card and put it back in the phone, you won't need to enter your PIN code. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.